Hey fam, welcome to another vlog with the Vee Family. Today we are traveling to... Flight is at 11:55 p.m. so pretty much midnight. It's late, so we're trying to get Ezekiel to run around so that once he gets on the plane, he's gone. He's out. Look at him. Oh yeah, hello blanket. The boys to pack their own bags because they know they're gonna have to carry it themselves, so they can bring whatever they want. And Bissa brought a blanket. That's smart. I actually wish I brought a blanket. Eli, did you bring a blanket?
Yeah.
Oh, of course yes.
And what 2 snacks?
Oh.
I packed up so much biscuits.
Yeah.
And 1 chip.
Oh.
A toy. I bought lollies for my ears.
Lollies. Oh, that's actually a good one. I need that because my ears always get blocked. Ooh, chocolates for all of us.
That's it. I'm getting so bored.
Are you?
I shouldn't just stay here so I can play the game.
Oh, we should have just left you, right? We should have actually, babe, call your mum. Come get him.
Mom.
Oh, there he goes.
Mom.
He's a jet setter.
Mom.
Bye. Bye, Ezekiel. Bye, Ezekiel. Oh, that bag's actually pretty heavy. Look at him. We made it. Welcome to New Zealand, Ezekiel. Yeah.
Did you know we're in the country right now?
We're in Auckland and straight away.
You know the vibes, man. We gotta come down there and do our annual visit when we come down. We can speak for in the whole New Zealand.
Look at this cake. Ooh. Lamington. Chocolate log.
Oh, they straight A grade now.
Oh.
A grade. I'll make it in cheese, yeah. And 1 mince and cheese as well, please. What's the special?
Look at the bread. He wants steak and cheese.
And can I get 1 steak and cheese pie as well, please?
Ooh, and the chocolate donuts. Kids are gone. We left, so our flight left late, maybe like 12:30.
Yeah. No, it was like 1.
Yeah, like almost 1 a.m. And then we got here around, I think, what time did we get here? Around 6 a.m.? Like just before 6 a.m.
Yeah.
But New Zealand, Auckland is 2 hours, I think 2 hours ahead of us, so the boys are so tired. Oh, Bissa, you're up. Grab some pies. I got my mince and cheese. What did you get, babe?
Bacon and egg, mate. Always.
Of course.
I'm the bacon and egg fucking ambassador.
Did you get my pie?
Sorry, I thought you were asleep, that's why. Yeah, amen. If we come again, I'll get a bacon and egg. Because it's actually so good.
I got steak and
Show it, babe.
You should have got bacon and egg by
Show us the inside. Oh wait. Show us the inside of that.
Just simple, you know. The cheese, look and see all around there. The less veggies in it, the better. That's a gangster pie. That still tastes just like when I was here. That's so nice.
Oh, bless our food, bless our my mince and cheese.
Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Praise the Lord. Amen.
Amen.
So you said you guys would take 2 seconds. It took ages.
Do you want a nice bit?
That's very good. Time for the cream donut.
What does it say?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, they're the best, bro. They're the best. That's the real fresh cream, bro. That's the real fresh cream. None of this rubbish from those places in Australia.
Dad, do you want my pie?
You don't want it, Biggie. How good's the dough, though?
Nice and soft. We are on our way to Rotorua now.
Rotorua, Vegas. Is that what they call it? Rotorua Vegas.
Why?
It's dangerous down there.
Do dangerous things happen in Rotorua Vegas?
I think so. I've never been there, so.
So what happens in Rotorua Vegas stays in
Rotorua Vegas.
We got a 2.5-hour drive there. We're meeting my sister and her family. So they're coming from Palmerston North, so can't wait to see them.
As you can see, the beautiful scenery of Aotearoa, the long white cloud, getting into Rotorua. Does that look, eh? How mad? You don't see. No, actually, remember when we were going down to the Great Barrier? Oh no, the 12 Apostles. There was a bit like this, but not as nice as this. But yeah, the drive's been pretty hectic. My Koei, these guys have just been sleeping, enjoying themselves. Had to stop and get me a coffee.
How much time do we have left?
We have, what does it say?
I think around 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Oh, heading into Rotorua, Vegas. What's going on, fams? We just touched down. Actually, I'm lying. We touched down about 30 minutes ago, so it's a bit of a mess. But this is the place that we're staying at. I probably should just start from outside. Everyone just act natural, right? Let me just do it again. This is our place. Damn, that carpet's bloody. This is our place here, you know. Very nice smart TV. 52-inch TV. You can't see it because of the camera and that. Got our own little kitchen. Bath and toilet, just what you need. You see that mirror? Yeah, it's a good mirror. The boys will be sleeping here. The theme of this place is sort of like being in Hawaii. Little Hawaii getaway right here. This is me and wifey's room. It's a bit of a mess, like I said, but yeah, it's a nice place. Down here in where are we, babe? Huh? Rotorua Vegas.
Yes, this is pure motel.
What is it called?
Pure motel.
It's good though, like everything's like, it's compacted in, but it's like enough for us. I mean, we've stayed in far worse places, but
it's nice. It's got everything.
Yeah, got the kitchen, got a little eating area, lounge, and oh yeah, that's the best part. That's the best part of this. It's, yeah, and then you just walk out to this. Oh damn, it's like we're in a different place. The Bahamas, Big E, got Easy E. Yeah, nice little chair setup, thingy majiggies, and yeah, just out here with the locals. Yeah, it's a nice little. That's the little room tour. Anything to say, Big E? Everything all good? Little E, anything to say?
You better subscribe or else I will beat you in your nightmares.
Oh, he's gonna beat you in your nightmares if you don't subscribe, bro. Get there. Easy E, anything to say? What you got to say? What you got to say? Nice. I like that one. Oh, we are here at... Where are we? Where are we at, Biggie? Wendy's. Fresh since day one, 1969. What do you reckon, Biggie?
Mum, is this my barbecue sauce?
What do you reckon, eh, Mumsy? Oh, all of a sudden come to New Zealand and start doing the slang. Good? Come on, little E. Taste those nuggets, mate. Taste those nuggets. Come on, taste the nuggets. You're taking too long. Come on, bro. Come on. Back again. Back again. What do you reckon?
Gangsta.
Gangster? Let's go. How's the burger, Biggie? Good burger? This here is one of my favorite things at Wendy's. This and a Frosty. As I was saying, this here is one of my favorite things.
Chili.
My girl cousin Filimoa used to work at Wendy's, and she used to like get it, and I used to think, oh yeah, you know, just
Doesn't look it.
It's the best.
But that's literally what we make now, eh? We make chili, but we call it tacos, like for the kids.
This one here.
Is it better than my chili?
Let me try it first. Just give me 2 seconds. Oh, where's this chili sauce? That's it.
Is there an extra sauce to make it hotter?
Yeah.
Damn.
Wow.
Good?
See that? Hot.
Chili seasoning.
With a disclaimer on there, yeah?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you know that's crazy when the sauce is white like that.
Why is it clear like that? It's all artificial chili, eh?
Oh, we're not gonna just go one. I like it with that.
Hello, Shikio.
Like it with that burning sensation, is that what it is?
Gotta look at that. But yeah, my girl cousin worked there for so many years. I think she was actually a manager there. And I never used to eat Wendy's as a young because it's more expensive than McDonald's.
Yeah, it is. We barely ate it
My
too.
girl cousin used to bring the Wendy's home.
Damn.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect heat.
I think it's actually like our, but it's just more watery.
Yeah. Yeah, because our one says to add more water, but I don't. Yeah. And then where's your crackers?
Normally I chuck them in.
Is that how you're meant to eat it, or you're meant to dip it in?
No, normally you just leave it in there.
Let it soak up all the chili.
Sometimes you break it up, you know.
Damn.
I can do a full whole episode about this, you know?
I can tell that you love it.
The mistake I used to do before when we come to New Zealand is to have bloody just eat everything under the sun.
That's what we do.
But now I just eat.
Now you just what?
No, I just eat what I want to eat, not eat everything.
That's the one. Good.
What do you think, babe? It's nice.
Be nice with some rice.
It's not that far off from our one, eh?
It's a little bit more tangy. It's not.
Crush my Sprite.
I'm going to give it over to Spice King, aka Big E. Try and tell us what you think, bro.
And it's too slimy, the thing on your
Does it taste? Which one tastes better, Mum's one or that one?
Mum.
Oh, good answer. Good answer.
Eli, who cut your hair?
Oh, there. Someone called you see?
Wait, let me see. Let me see. Come, come, come. Look, looks good. Bro, what the heck? Go tell your dad. Go. Go tell your dad what did he do to your hair.
You.
It wasn't me, it was your dad.
You.
Well, it's a bit uneven. He's right.
a bit uneven, bro. That was you.
He's right.
What did you get, babe?
Got a Frosty. I wasn't too sure which one because they had 2 flavors. I wasn't too sure which one was the original one. So I
It
was
was
like,
a chocolate.
she said vanilla. I was like, yeah. And she goes, I'll do both.
Ah. That was our favorite though, eh?
Yeah. Biggie had to go to the toilet. They had like codes inside of it. You know those things that you can press, like it's got A1.
A little tutu on it.
You need a code to use the toilet.
Get over there. Okay, taste
now.
it, taste
Right.
it.
Ezekiel or Eli?
Bro, Bessa, grab his gumboots. Okay, Eli. Eli, is that your first time tasting a Frosty?
Tasting a Frosty.
Might straighten up your fade.
What do you think?
Better than soft serve from Hungry Jack's.
Better than all of the ice creams.
Oh.
Mommy's turn. Oh, you got...
Happy you like it.
That's yum. That's so good. You gonna have some, Bessa?
Biggie's first time trying a Frosty.
Let's go.
Daddy.
Babe, hurry up. Oh, Ezekiel wants a turn.
Oh.
Okay. Let's careful.
Should I?
Yeah. Let's give a little. See.
Ezekiel have a little bit.
See if you react or not. Oh, that was a big ass. Babe. Yummy. Oh, look, he doesn't want it. Spit it.
I'll bring it up.
Oh, he just swallowed it. Yummy? I think it's because it was cold.
That is turn. It's pretty rude. I was going to show my wife about the
Sorry, I forgot you were the first to try.
Forgot to get my opinion on this, but
how was it? As good as you can remember?
if they never ever change the recipe, they can never go wrong. Also, that's enough. Get in the car.
Look, he wants some more.
Wait. Is it making you itchy?
How is it? He's not rubbing his
itchy?
mouth.
Damn, it is the chocolate. I just tasted it. That's the one that's
Yeah.
Are you getting itchy?
Nah, he's
Where's the nearest hospital?
Yeah, give him a little bit more. There's the kill.
No one's scared.
Let's go.
Just put a little bit.
A little bit.
Get in the car.
Oh, that's a little bit.
Can you taste the chocolate one?
Oh damn, that is mad.
Good. The chocolate one, eh? I told you.
I can't taste it because there's too much
Vanilla.
white ones.
Oh yeah. Babe, give him more chocolate.
Oh, he wants some more.
Once we get in the car, that's all mine. Babe, look, he wants more. Oh my gosh, look at him.
Watch out, Eli. Get out of the way.
He didn't even bring his medicine.
Went to take little E to the toilet, and wifey, we started off with some kiwi fruit, sausages, and then bread, and then all of a sudden there's pancakes, brownies, and what? And
He picked the pancakes.
what's going on there, mate? Thought we were gonna eat healthy at the place.
I really got distracted.
About snacks.
Look at this.
What is that? Oh, that's the Primo. Eh?
Like $6 something.
Yeah.
Mom, I saw big Oreos, Mom. I saw big Oreos.
But that's been around for years, eh?
Banana. Like, we didn't have banana milk in there.
Nah.
Mom,
And you gotta have the lowest creamery.
If you know, you know.
Oh, look at the steam. Careful. See if you can feel it, Bessa.
it said no jumping.
Is it warm?
Oh.
Oh, that smell though, right?
Oh, look at this
Look at it. But look at it, it looks so clear, the water.
Mom, if an alligator was in here, we'll easily die, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy.
Mom, come on, let's go look at the other one that Mike was talking about.
Well, Such a steam coming off. Hey, that's how hot it is.
Oh, Mom, look!
Wow.
Even there's some there.
Yeah. Look at these little pools here. How hot is it, Bissa? Is it really hot?
Bro, how is it hot?
Is it really hot, Bissa? Or is it nice hot?
I think when you stay in there for a little bit, it will turn off.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Hot.
It feels nice, but really hot. I'm standing on it. Get our feet, Bissa. You like?
Huh?
Get our feet. I'm not standing on it.
Bro. Heat.
Feels so nice.
Oh snap! What do you mean it's hot?
You gonna try it? You can try it. It feels hot, but then it feels nice after.
Ezekiel. Ezekiel trying to put his compass in. Oh, I don't feel like having wet feet going back, so. Eli, you putting your feet in? Nice. Pull your pants up there. Yeah, why isn't Eli? Look, Ezekiel, he thinks, babe, it's gonna go in his just take his. Oh, it's already in there. Oh, Ezekiel's feet's ready. What happened? What happened, Moo?
Back in.
What do you reckon? You like it? What's that?
This.
What's it called?
Dog.
Dog. That's not.
Daddy, this.
Yeah. Oh.
Daddy.
Yeah. Look at it. Danger. You like it? Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
This.
Let's go. Mom's gone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Careful.
Morning, fam. It's Sunday morning. We're getting ready to go and check out the Polynesian spa. Well, Richy is going to be here with the boys. Richy and Evander are doing sprints.
What's up, fams? Welcome to another video. Hey, just doing a little light cardio stuff, bro. It's hard to when you're like tired, when you're trying to breathe in, you're like, and then you're like, oh, is there someone or
What?
you know, you can smell the smell.
Oh, the beautiful Rotorua air. Last one. Let's go, Bissa. Let's go. Let's. Oh boy! Ah, shit! Sino ba yung mapeva mo ko? It's the birthday girl. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! He's not too happy yet. You run early this morning. Xavier, up early. Hello, welcome. Finally in the Polynesian spa. We chose the. Which one did we choose again? The pavilion pool. If you're for you. Yeah, I think it was like $44 per person, which is nice. It has like a lot of pools. Yeah, and that's the view there. We're down there. There are two pools down there. They're really nice. Look at that.
Not sure if Cherish vlogged when she came with the girls, but we did a full where we were looking after the kids. And so they came, and now it's our turn. Me and the bro T. This is like the adult section. So yeah, this is mad. That's the bro T right there. Well, this is the service you're getting by the coffee place. Let's go. Yeah, cheers. O kaua fa. Fa kia konga e se mako inga
It's a Guinness.
That's nothing like it, eh? Me and the bro tea.
We had to bring the kids to the park to burn off some energy. This is such a cool swing. It's actually quite a cool park. Yeah. Why were you scared? Oh, is that right? Let's go. Let's go. You wanna go down? Oh, it's scary now. I see the bird. Might jump over. This view though. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah? Which one? Which one? The other one? The other dog? Hey, it's a bird. Abbiamo le Australia. Eli. No. Pesa, that's enough. Pesa. The camera. Pesa. He's gonna fly out soon. Look. Got some good grip. Oh. Go, Ezekiel. That's enough to come up. You gotta bloody fly out.
So this here is I'm looking after the kids in that. Well, the girls at home with the younger boys in that. Me and the bro T, and this is the kids area. I thought I'd vlog it. I try not to vlog so much because I don't want other people, you know, like filming at the swimming pool area. But yeah, this is it here. It's actually pretty cool because it's topless. So the top of it is, there's no roof. It's hectic, and look at it. What do you reckon, Biggie? Good? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it good? Eli, you gonna go? Wait, Pesa, wait, let me get you. Eli, go. Okay, Mallet. It's cool how they got this slide. Go, Big E. It's so cold though. Big E. Yeah. Bro, how freezing is it, bro? Bro, I gotta stay in. I'm like, man, if I don't stay in, that's like -2 or something. Is it freezing in there too? Well, it's warm. I'll stay out here with them. We're out here with the boys. Eli, come this way, close here.
Dad, is that lava?
No. What do you reckon? You got anything to say to everyone?
You better subscribe or else I'll be in your nightmares.
Oh, you heard the man. Subscribe. Let's go. Ole. Fish on chips, see? The boys coming down here to Jay's. So, oh, look at this place, eh? Oh, they got the way more special here. This is what we're looking for, man. Oh, I think that combo E. We're here to try Jay's fish and chip sales. 4.6. We'll be the judge of that, eh? What is it? Does it look? Oh, these are the same ones that we had. Oh,
Your kids.
yeah.
These ice cream.
That one, yeah. Something that was the same as that. Look at this. Look at these ones here. Had this one.
What's that?
Jelly top. Oh, this was my favorite one when I was a kid. This one. This was my favorite one.
Chocolate one.
Yeah, because it had the chocolate inside. Your fish and chips the best in Rotorua?
Yes.
It is? Yeah. What is it called again, though? Nice, nice.
Now that everyone's had a swim, it's time to eat.
This guy's eyes on there.
Look at him. Oh, Xavier. Look at him. Look at him. He's like, oh.
Like he didn't have 2 meals.
I know, like he didn't just eat his full meal. We got fish and chips. What's that, babe? Bao?
No, that's a mussel fritter.
Mussel fritter. Ooh. He's even like, excuse me. Good. Huh? Just grab some food, grab a plate, and you guys can sit there.
There's the mussel fritter. Good? 10 out of 10 because I told the little kid that was at the counter that we were going to see if it was good. Okay, with the family. Look at that. Oh, you already showed it. You already showed it. The kids down here. 4.6. What do you reckon then? Is it more? Give them the 5, I reckon. Eh? Especially because the kid looked like he was only 7 years old serving us. Yeah, I even got him on here. I was like, is it the best? Okay, it's the best, mate. I don't know if you'll see this little man, but yeah.
Siya ko nga slave ay. He said, "Are you ready?" Yeah. Ready?
I don't even know is that your colour?
No board and it's freeway. Good morning, fam. We have checked out of our motel, and just before we leave Rotorua, we're gonna go grab some pies. This is one that we've seen people on TikTok say that's pretty good. This is Patrick's Pies. Let's check it out. And they weren't joking when they said that they're award-winning pie people. I mean pie bakery. It's crazy. Surely that's the most awards I've ever seen, right? What the heck? They have a bunch of pie flavors. What in the world? Okay, let's see what they got. They got their sandwiches. Ooh, they got their desserts, sweets. Let's go. Yeah. Their hot food.
There's also alright as well.
And then these are all their pies. I know. So many pie flavors. Roast pork belly and apple. Roast duck. Damn. Sweet lamb curry. Oh, they even got a mussel one. And the seafood, eh? Gold winner. Gold winner. Award winner. Gold winner. Let me have a look on the inside. Oh. Outside. Oh, the roasted duck one. Caramelized. Oh, that's the Supreme Pie Award winner.
Yeah, I don't know what year it was. Yeah.
Let's go. Look on the inside.
I haven't had any duck yet.
Do you have the same color? Oh, how's that one?
Quite nice.
Not bad.
I don't know if that would have been
Yeah, the old title one is crazy.
You try this one after.
Yeah, the roast. Man, they have some cool ass flavors, eh? This is their seafood pie.
Seafood pie, award winning, yeah?
Yeah.
What's our drink? Where's our drink?
Wait, Eli, just wait.
Good.
Have a look at it. Oh, wait.
Crab sticking down.
Crab sticking. Oh. What's that thing there? That?
Fish?
Oh, yeah, that's mad.
What's those two things for? What's those two things for?
Oh, scallop.
What is it? Scallop. That looks like a gangster pie.
That was
That's nice. It's good. What was that? This year's award-winning one, or?
Can't remember. You can taste the cheese. It's cheesy.
What's your one, buddy?
She got the roasted duck.
Oh.
Good mushroom. Also not like mushroom. Wow.
Can you taste the duck?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's alright, eh?
Alex said you're going in this car.
What do you think?
not me.
Yeah, it's alright, eh?
They're like the things of the jelly. Everyone's like, hey.
Nah, that's why I want it to be more like a seafood chowder. Like, yeah, like creamy, but it's like more, yeah, not as creamy.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of seafood, but yeah, it's not creamy.
No.
Yours?
Potato top.
Ah, okay. Sorry, like there's a massive queue in there. We'll go back and grab it. Just let that taste his pie and drink. Let's go.
What drink you want?
How is it?
Like, what drink you want?
I should have just gotten my mince and cheese.
We wanted to try all the what are they called?
The award winners. Oh, anything. You'll drink anything, yeah.
This is this year's one. To be honest, I've tasted better, eh? Not to be sad, but.
Oh, this year's award winner?
This year's
oh. That's nice.
It's nice. It's like, it's not gonna lie and say it tastes like.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah.
I think when they have the award winners on it, that you just expect more. But as a pie, like it's nice, right? Their pies are nice, but you start judging them all because it's got like award winning on every single thing.
Nah, but with potato top, because I always get bacon and egg or potato top, and I've tasted a lot of potato top and a lot of bacon and egg. But it's nice and hot, though. Is you want hot?
No,
I think you want it because it's like jelly.
Yeah.
Like that jelly. Look, like shake it. Shake it. Yeah. You know when you have jelly pies and it's not really like
How is it, Biggie? Oh. What do you give it out of a 10? 8 out of 10. Nice. Ezekiel, what do you give that?
Is that one?
This is bacon and egg and cheese.
This is what you normally get, yeah?
No cheese inside, yeah. I gotta say it though, it's hard still got a bit of pie.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro. Gotta do better, man. We just spent a bag here, man. None of them, bro.
Boston bun.
You know, shout out to Mosul Sila, the one that got me into this. This one's got butter.
Oh. Yeah, that's the same bun that they use for the other one, babe. It's good.
What is that?
What?
Is it cream?
Yeah. I think it's cream with coconutting. How good.
Yeah, babe, where we at?
Here at the skyline.
Let me have a quick look around before you explain it. Now we're back.
They actually have a few activities here, but we're gonna do the gondola ride and the luge. I don't know if that's how you say it.
It's up there.
Yeah, we're doing we got the family pass, so we did one with the gondola with 2 luge rides, and it became like 190. Yeah, 192 for family of 5, and so that was 2 adults and 3 kids. So we included my nephew in it just to make it cheaper.
Yeah.
And Ezekiel is free, so 5 and under.
For Eli was free too.
No, because he's doing the luge with us and he has to have his own.
Yeah.
She said it might just get complicated upstairs, so it's just better to do the family of 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because he's doing the 2 rides with us.
Oh.
Yeah.
2 rides of what? Of coming down in that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Look, Mom, I figured it out.
Oh, he figured it out.
Mom.
Oh, it is too. Is it? Aye. Relax. Always got to keep the drugs in hand, mate. Keep the drugs in hand.
Obviously,
Never know when you need that dosage. You want some too, bro? You want some too? Yeah, everyone's on the same drugs. What are you doing? Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Ezekiel, come on.
I'll do it. You want me to do it? Let's go, Biggie.
I'm already in the top. What the hell?
Eli, let's go. Come on. And you're meant to be 5. Oh, mate. Damn, is this all right up? That's mad. Oh, I swear. It's mad. Brother, can you take a photo on our phone as well, brother? You're not loud, bro, I swear. That's it. Nice tight fit then, eh? All aboard, all aboard. I don't know if I can make it, I don't know. See you later, brother. It closes on itself. It better close. There we go.
That's alright. Tell my story.
Tell my story.
Oh, there's not what I want to hear.
Can I get a camera?
Oh, that's actually high.
Holy shit.
Is
Is that this dinosaur statue?
I'm glad I'm facing that way. Yeah, I think so too.
I'm breaking the winner in here.
Can you not? Oh my gosh, look how high we are.
Look how beautiful it is.
Surely we've exceeded the weight limit.
It's more than 8.
It's way more than 8.
How do they make this?
It's crazy, right?
How do they make it like it's the right
Xavier,
one?
he's like so calm.
Mom,
Is it cool?
I know.
That they have a swing. No, that is something we do not want to do. And look at those clouds up there. It's like shooting you into the clouds. Isn't they coming back from there? He's like, how tall are you? He's like, are you tall enough, Auntie?
I'm gonna carry you on that thing.
That is crazy.
Your mom and dad watch.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How high do they? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a swing. It's not that one that flings up, eh? That might be a bit better. Oh, there they are. Holy bananas. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh my goodness.
Look at them flying.
Oh man, did you see them?
Oh, I cannot. Oh my goodness. Oh, they have to pull it themselves. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, what if it hits into the thing?
It looks like it will.
I know. That is crazy. Not us screaming like it was ourselves on there.
Oh, it was nice.
Yeah. That's mad. Look at that. Damn. There's just things everywhere. Look at it. That's mad. Oh, it comes back up with it, babe. What the heck?
Babe, give him a yellow one.
Who?
Ezekiel.
He's a yellow one. It's down here.
I need a yellow one too.
Here you go, Eli. This is for Ezekiel.
Babe, you got our tickets here?
Yeah, in my pocket. No, this is your one, baby. This is your one. Oh, green on green.
You can put your helmet on. You ready? Oh, Eli's got his helmet on. Yeah. Helmets on.
Ozons, can someone control T! Ficou ficar o olha. Ezekiel, it's time to go serious.
You guys hold up the traffic, eh? Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, Biggie! Let's go, Biggie! Biggie in the scene! Biggie! Ezekiel! Oh. We're ready. Come all the way down here, Biggie. Go all the way down. All the way to that thing there. Keep going all the way down, all the way down. How was it? Was it good? Yeah. How was it, Biggie? What do you reckon? Do you like it?
Well, I was slowing down because I didn't want to crash.
I was going fast with Ezekiel. Did you see me?
Yeah, well done. They're coming, they're coming.
Fun?
Wow.
Yeah, Mum's coming. Did you have fun though?
Wow.
Did you have fun? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Baby, you better slow down, girl. Where is he? Is he? Eli!
Ooh. Ezekiel! Bye, Ezekiel! Come, Eli! Come, Eli! Come, Eli! You ready?
Damn. What do you reckon, Ezekiel? It's safe as, eh? Is it safe? Damn, this is hectic. What do you reckon, Ezekiel? Oh, don't move, Ezekiel. Oh, gosh.
Made it back up! Going for our second ride. How'd it feel, Eli? How was the Luge ride?
Better?
Better?
But it was scary how the helmet was off. Like, I think someone crashed. Right?
Yeah.
Because if it was a green...
Yeah. Maybe it fell off when they were on here. What was this ride? Babe!
Dad!
Look! Oh, look at Ezekiel. I can see Ezekiel. Ezekiel! Hi, Malik!
Hi, Malik!
Bessa! Bessa! Ezekiel!
Bro, one guy got it stuck.
Hi, baby! What are you doing? Hi, Malik!
I just want to fall off this.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Ooh.
Mom, imagine we fall on this, right?
Oh my gosh, right?
And then we break our ankle.
Oh my goodness.
And then we have to go to hospitals, but we can't move our whole body, right?
Oh, let's not think about that. Let's not imagine that, alright? Good thoughts, happy thoughts.
Let's go. Okay, I wouldn't imagine it, but I'll do it.
Ah,
I ain't even gonna cap, but this is scary as like. So we came down on those, as you'll see, and then we go up on these. There's no seatbelts and nothing. I got my 2-year-old, and I'm not gonna lie, this is actually scary as, but yeah, look at this. It's ultra. Look at that. It's just, oh, bro, no cap, but this is scary. Babe, how scary is it? Babe, you scared or nah? Oh my gosh, look at this. You okay, my darling? And look, right there, they got everyone coming down. So that's what we came down on. Oh, it's hectic.
yeah.
Ezekiel's sitting this one out. Round two, round two. Hey, hey, hey. Keep that energy when you're going down, alright? I don't want you holding everyone up, alright? Let's go. That forearm strength in there. Alright, see, relaxing. Oh, hey mate, where made the camera though? Eli, this way. Go, this way. Alright, Sally, let me chase that dude down. Look at him. Hey, relax. Oh, Vee Vediamo a little Let's go. Bye. This confident. Easy. Keep going. Bro, you're too fast, bro. Eli, get on. Sally. Bro, this guy, bro. Give this guy a ticket, bro. Give him a ticket, bro. This guy.
Just because other riders come down pretty quick.
Yeah, you shouldn't jump off, Eli.
Really good.
Like it? Was it good?
It's the Luge.
Good.
Luge.
Did you get your slow one?
No, I went to the same one as you, but Eli. I had to keep stopping for Eli. That kid is fear. Oh, don't shoot it. Look, there they are.
Go.
How you feeling, babe?
I'm just happy I'm where the net is.
You think that's gonna save you? Bro, look at this view. That is crazy. Oh man, it's such a beautiful day. Look at that. Look up there. Vista, was it cool today or what?
This might be my last day on Earth.
What? I didn't say that. And off we go. Here we go. And there's Malik and Talofa. What are you doing, mate? Wait. What did the jelly bean do to you? Oh, now he's hugging it. Shh. Ezekiel. Bye. See you later. Bye. What? No, I'm not going. Hey boys, watch out. Hey, careful. Go that way so we have more time to get in. Yeah, stand there. Yeah, jump in. Well done. Bye, Ezekiel. Bye. Bye, baby.
Oh, even how they go down there looked like it went fast.
Yeah, I agree.
A little bit scary. Let's just take it easy.
Okay, take it easy.
Let's just take it easy.
I see, man. I see, man. You like it? Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.
We're alright. We're alright, guys.
Just
We're okay.
Shout confidence, guys. This is not fear.
Oh my gosh. Can you just imagine what Eli's saying over there?
That boy can
Our last coffee in Rotorua.
Rotorua.
Because someone's going to comment and they'll be like, you don't say it like Rotorua, la la la. And then we're not from the... Yes, our last coffee. We're now heading out, so we thought we'll end this vlog in Rotorua. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed it here.
Loved it here, Rotorua.
Yeah.
The air is so
refreshing. It was so nice to finally meet my sisters here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that one. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.
far.
So far.